Yeah, everyone, let's move on to the flowchart of Slack chat. The main name is user A sends a message to user B. This is received by the load balancer, which is going to balance the load. If there are n servers, it will pick the server that can successfully respond to the request in a timely manner, so as to maintain our design principles. So if the server is offline, put the request into a queue and wait. So request one, and as soon as it becomes online, it sends the request to the server. Now, once the server has received the request, it's going to store data, and then it's going to update the cache. So storing of data means in cold storage or non-volatile memory. That is, even if you power off the device or the server, your data can be recovered. For faster access, it replicates this data into a cache. There could be like a database data structure, which we may discuss later in the video on how this cache will be accessed. This is done, we'll then check is user B online. If the user B is not online, then it's just going to wait. And again, here what we could do is it would enqueue a request. This could be the pending queue. And once the user B comes online, send message to user B. User B receives message. Then what happens? Then you also sort of update the status. User B has received the request. The server sends status. Server receives status. So here from your pending queue R1, it'll go to the success queue R1, and this will be removed. So server receives the status and updates the success queue. Then server sends status to user A. User A gets the double checkbox that hey, this message has been read. That's the high level flowchart of how a one-to-one chat will work.